In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a contact in Xero. We'll go step by step, starting from the main Xero website and ending with the contact safely removed from your active list. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you don't accidentally remove the wrong person or business. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website by typing in xero.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Xero account using your usual details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard, which shows an overview of your business finances. From here, we're going to move into the contacts area where all your customer and supplier records are stored. Next, look along the top navigation bar for the option labeled Contacts. This is where Xero groups all the people and organizations you interact with, such as customers, suppliers, and other business contacts. Click on Contacts to open the Contacts menu. If you have more than one type of contact, don't worry, we're going to focus on the full list so you can easily find the one you want to remove. Once the contacts menu is open, click on All Contacts. This view shows every contact that exists in your Xero organization, regardless of whether they're a customer, supplier, or both. This makes it easier to search and confirm you're working with the right record. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find a specific name. Take a moment here to double check that you're selecting the correct contact, especially if you have similar names or duplicates. Now, when you've found the contact you want to remove, click on that contact to open their details page. On this page, you'll see information like their name, address, and any recent transactions linked to them. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to scan the page and make sure you're really looking at the right person or organization. Once you're sure, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. This is usually found near the top right of the contacts page. Click on the three dots to open the additional options for that contact. In this menu, you'll see several actions you can take. Among these, you'll find the option labeled Archive. In Xero, archiving a contact is effectively the way you remove it from your active contact list while still keeping it in the system for historical records. This helps preserve the integrity of your past invoices and bills so your reports remain accurate. Click on Archive to start the process. Xero will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to archive this contact. This confirmation step is helpful because once a contact is archived, you won't be using it for new transactions. When the confirmation message appears, review it and make sure you're happy to continue. If everything looks correct, click Archive again to finalize it. After you confirm, Xero will archive the contact. It will no longer appear in your active contact list, but any past transactions linked to that contact will stay intact for reporting and auditing purposes. And that's it. You've successfully deleted, or more accurately archived, a contact in Xero.